Here we have King Henry drinks one delicious chocolate milk. 4 kilometers. Hectometers. Decameters. One being that unit, whether it be something like meters. Deci, or 1/10 the size. Centa, 1/100 the size. Or milli, like a millimeter or a milliliter. Depends on that unit. Here we have it in chart form. Where if we look at that prefix deca, that is 10 times as large as whatever unit we're talking about, whether we're talking about meters, grams, or liters. So if we look at this, it's 10 times bigger. Deca versus hecto, that means a decameter versus a hectometer. A hectometer is 10 times bigger. A hectometer is 100 times bigger than 1 meter. Where we have a kilometer, where we multiply by 10 again, where it is that a kilometer is 1,000 times bigger or larger than a meter. If we go in the other direction, this unit, deci, and that prefix deci, we divide by 10, where a deciliter, for instance, is 1/10 as large as a liter. We divide by 10 again, where we have that centiliter, 1/100th the size. And if we divide by 10 again, a milliliter is 1/1000th the size of a liter, which means if this is 1/1000th the size, of the size, you would actually need 1,000 of these to equal 1 liter. Because 1/1000th times 1,000 equals 1. Same type of way, if we were thinking of centa, we know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So 1 liter equals, and we'll look at that on another screen. Working with this chart a little bit more, I know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. That 100 centimeters does equal 1 meter. Got 1 there. It would take 10 decimeters to equal that 1 meter. If we follow that pattern, it's 1,000 millimeters. Equaling that 1 meter. In this direction, actually follows this pattern still, where you would need 1/10 of a decameter to equal 1 meter. Or 1/100th of a hectometer to equal 1 meter. Or 1,000th of a kilometer to equal 1 meter. I also do know that if you need 1,000th of a kilometer to equal 1 meter, then 1,000 meters, which is 1,000 times 1, so if 1 meter is equal to 1,000th of a kilometer, then 1,000 meters, that would be times 1,000 there. So if we multiply 0.001 times 1,000, you get 1 kilometer, which is something we also know that 1 kilometer does equal 1,000 meters.